When you use a 3D design or drawing program, there are many a times when you will need multiple views of your scene. We can do that in SketchUp using what are called scenes. Now we can find this in the scenes window. All we have to do is go to our default tray, make sure that the scenes are turned on. Now if I pin this, you will see that we have a basic scene menu and we can use this to create multiple views into our work. So right now I have this perspective view and I can navigate this and set this exactly the way that I want, and once I do that, all I have to do is hit a plus to add this scene. When I do this, it memorizes all the settings that create this view. A description if we want, and what are we saving here. Now if I want, I can create another view and save this as well. So let's go ahead and change our camera, say to the front view. And let's go ahead and turn on parallel projection. So now I have a front view of this house. Let's go ahead and hit the plus sign for add scene. So now I have two scenes here. So let's go ahead and change the name of this to front. And notice how we have two tabs here and one for perspective. If I click this, it goes to that perspective view, and another one for front view, which is the one that we just created. Let's do one more, going to go into camera view. Let's go ahead and do, say, a top view. And again, we make sure parallel projection is turned on. And then we can hit plus to add another scene, and this is going to be the top view. So now we have three views in our project. We have our perspective view, we have a front view, and we have a top view. Now you might notice that when I switch views, it actually is animating between these views. Well, we can turn that off by going into view animation settings, and you will see we have under scene transitions, we have enabled scene transitions. Just go ahead and turn that off, and now we won't have these transitions. So with scene transitions off, we can switch very quickly between views, and when it's on, it will animate between views. So go ahead and use this in your project to speed your productivity.